All right, so just bought a new Buyers 7x18 dump truck tarp just so we can replace it on this kit. The only tricky part is got to figure out a way to take the tension off of these so that when we release that tarp and remove that, this thing doesn't go slamming down. And I don't know how hard it's going to be to push back to line it up, so probably find a way like this to chain it, but the trick will be on the other side. So if I can take and hook this up, probably a little shorter. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand, but let's try. And try to hook that in. And then I'll release it and see what it does. If we see it stops, then it's working. It did not stop. So it's catching here, but we need one on the other side. Keep going, buddy. All right. Warmer. All right, so that worked. Just hooking chains onto both sides. That holds the tension. So now when I take this bar out, because prior to that, your tarp is the only thing that holds tension on this whole thing. So let's see. Helps when you have your kids out here, try to be in the middle of everything. So I got them unbolted on the ends right up here, and now I've got to see how to get those to kind of pry apart. Try to use this cool little tool. It's actually a Leatherman scale tool, and this thing's pretty handy because it folds up tiny like a pocket knife, and it's got the pliers, and it's got a little flathead. So Easy enough, huh? All right, can you climb up? Gonna have her hit the button for me so I can unroll this the rest of the way.
What button?
Right here. You see it?
Up.
Can you reach that?
Yeah. This?
Yep. Push it down. Down. No, no, down. All right. There you go. Thank you. Whoa, stop. All right, push it back just a little bit.
This forwards.
Up.
Up.
Right, whoa. All right, perfect. Don't touch anything else.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can I get down?
You can get down. All right. Help pays off. So now it's just gonna unbolt all of these and bolt the new one back in, and then we're done. So you can see had some pretty good tears on this, and at this point it's hanging on everything. So time to go. And they're not that expensive, so that's a plus. All right, I guess when they last replaced these, they replaced it with self-tapping screws, so that'll change things. We'll do it a little different. All right, so now I've just got to pull in enough tension to, now that the tarp's connected on both ends, to where it takes the weight off the chains. We'll disconnect those, see how everything works. It should be good. Oh, let's see. Perfect. Okay. I don't know what just fell off. That might be a problem. All right. So we got the tension off of this one. We got the other ones a lot shorter, so it won't take much. And we got the tension off of it. Boom. And we'll see if this thing will roll up. Perfect so far. All right, man. Brand new tarp installed. Really didn't take that long. Only a couple things that were tricky to figure out, like keeping the tension off of those arms once the tarp was removed. because that is what holds its tension the whole time. And basically, you just have these arms are spring loaded. So if you unhook that side, that thing's just gonna go flying over to the other side. So, but that worked out, not too bad.